gas expansion system or molecular leak system. This system is used for introduction of sample which are present in gaseous form or liquids which have high vapor pressure which can be easily converted into vapors form. Now, in this case, sample which is already in gaseous form or the liquid which have high vapor pressure, these vapors or gaseous sample, it is allowed to expand in an evacuated chamber. Means sample, very small amount of sample, it is introduced an vacuum chamber, evacuated chamber. Inside this evacuated chamber, sample will expand. Mean expansion purpose is that sample molecule, they move away from each other, so very small amount is introduced and these samples, they are expanded in this chamber first. So this is first step, sample expansion. Then in second step, through a small opening, this is a very small opening, through a small opening, sample is allowed to leak in the ionization chamber. Now, after expansion, when we open this small pore which allow the sample to leak into ionization chamber, very small amount of sample enter into ionization chamber. So purpose of this whole process is just to introduce sample in very small amount. First sample is expanded so that sample molecule move away from each other, and in second step, when it is allowed to leak in ionization chamber, only small amount of sample inside the ionization chamber. So this is how we avoid contamination of gaseous sample in introduction by expanding and then leaking. So it is also called gas expansion method because gas is first allowed to expand, and in second step molecules are allowed to leak, so it is also called molecular leak system. So this is gas expansion or molecular leak system for sample introduction into mass spectrometry.